Go. Hello.
Hello, hello.
So today we have not a lot of news, not much happening on the news side, and a little bit happening on the price side. We're moving down today, but let's get on with it. Investment heavyweight Soros coin weighed into Bitcoin crypto markets. So it looks like Mr. Soros, which I'm not a big fan of, and probably no one is, but maybe some people are. Is getting interested into Bitcoin and getting interested into the crypto markets as well as coin with his 0.72 asset management. So yep, it definitely looks like there is some interest into crypto in general, in the crypto market overall. So things are looking better on the interest side. So big players are starting to step in, which is of course bullish. We haven't seen that reflected yet on the price action of Bitcoin. So until that happens, we can't be really that bullish. Maybe they are waiting. Maybe they're buying slowly. Maybe they are, you never know what these guys are doing. So we have to wait, right?
Maybe they're waiting for the next big dump.
Maybe. So this is definitely bullish news, but it's bullish news for the long term, and we already know that Bitcoin is bullish on the long term. So it's kind of what's going on. What do you think about it?
I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of Soros. However, yeah, the more people who are getting involved, especially people who previously said they would never get involved, the more we're winning.
Yep. And going on, Softbank invests 200 million in LATAM cryptocurrency exchange. So basically, Softbank is investing into Mercado. Well, I'm not sure how you say that in Spanish or Mexican, or not sure. But Mercado Bitcoin. So they're investing 200 million. So it's a pretty hefty stake that they're putting in. This, of course, is, we already know, bullish for crypto and for adoption and for having more and more platforms that are well funded, working well. So people are have the possibility of investing and buying and selling and doing things that they want to do with crypto in general. So it's definitely good, and it shows that SoftBank is getting interested into crypto heavily, right? What do you think?
I mean, yeah, the more money that people invest into exchanges, the more infrastructure there is, and it's also, I think, important to note that it's Japan's branch, the Japan Soft Branch group, that's doing this, right? And we just had that news from Japan that they were issuing a warning to Binance. So it looks like, yeah, they're just targeting the unregulated exchanges, but maybe they are a bit more friendly towards, exchanges that are following the rules.
And then going on into more gossipy news, release the DOGE. Elon Musk gives the Dogecoin price a sudden boost as Bitcoin and Ethereum lead the crypto market lower. So, Mr. Elon, he did it again. He managed to pump Dogecoin again. I'm sure the more he does it, the less of an effect it's gonna have. So I wish that he keeps on doing it. So whenever he comes out and says something bearish about Bitcoin, or something bearish about crypto, or things that he has done in the past, the effect of his actions are gonna be lower, less and less and less. It's probably gonna play out like the McAfee situation that we had in the past, where McAfee would come out and shout out a coin and it would go up instantly, and after a little bit of time, we had, whenever McAfee came out and shouted out a coin, it went down. So this is probably the type of effect that we're gonna have, at least in my opinion. So less impact, to be honest, and definitely the more he keeps on doing it, the better for us, to be honest. So what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, he's just leading retail into the fire right now. There's no way that institutions or any real big money is going to come into Doge. Like, the coin's a meme, just no development on it, really. I mean, Elon Musk is trying to spark some development on it, But I mean, at the end of the day, it's like, is Doge going to be the one that survives 10 years from now? Probably not. Like,
We don't know. You never know. You never know. It could be still
never
alive.
know.
Maybe,
Mm,
maybe at a lower price than it is right now, or maybe at a similar price, maybe a little bit higher. You never know. Like, it's still a crypto, right? Still a crypto. So
right.
if the entire market goes up, I see no reason why Dogecoin should not go up, right?
Right.
The thing is, right now Dogecoin has such a big market share that it's really not justified, especially comparing it to other projects that are actually legit and they're doing actual things and you can develop things on them, or they provide a service or they provide a product that is useful for people. And it's not good to funnel all that capital into something that really doesn't do anything. So you're basically funding someone that is not doing anything, and that's
Right.
a problem. That's a problem for the market overall. But let's hope this stops and we get back into clear territories where money is being allocated in places where it makes sense and is funding people that need the money and will use the money wisely, right?
Yeah. My big question about all this is that he keeps bashing Bitcoin for environmental reasons, but Doge uses the exact same mining protocol as Bitcoin. Like, do we have a report on how much a Dogecoin is mined with clean energy? Like, yeah, I don't know. The whole it's fishy to me.
It kind of is, but of course he likes Doge because of the meme, right? And he doesn't care about the consequences that people are gonna have by throwing their money at it.
Right.
So it is what it is. But let's get into the charts. What is Bitcoin doing? Well, Bitcoin going down, right?
Going down. Bitcoin's going down.
Exactly. Unfortunately, today, down day. Not much to report on about the price action. This Bitcoin is moving down. I lost support at 34,000, which was quite a significant level for it. We're still waiting to see what's going to happen at 32.5, which is another significant support level. At least last time we went back down to it, we had quite a massive bounce and we made a new high relative to this little move up that we had. Overall, daily looking scary. We rejected point of control on this entire move down, which is not good, and but we're still holding 30. We are still holding 30, and that's kind of what matters.
Yep. And I do believe that the longer we spend on the bottom side of this range without breaking down, the more bullish it becomes. So right now we're definitely under threat of breaking down. Like, make no mistake about it. Right now the price looks pretty scary. But if we could hold, the longer we hold, the better it could start to look. So yeah, so we're kind of we kind of just gotta wait and see right now.
Yep, that's kind of the stance that you gotta take right now. So wait and see what happens, and then based on that you can buy 30 as always. That's the obvious one. If you want to be more risky, maybe you buy 32.5. But that's up to you. I would say the most important thing is if you buy below 30, you're getting a good buy. Like mid-term, long-term, you're getting a good buy. Below 30, it's a deal, really. So,
yeah, but be careful with leverage.
Yeah, of course. Leverage is a really bad thing. So, not in itself, but using it irresponsibly, it is. So, you want to be safe. All right, I think we're done for today. There's not much. Hasn't been much to report on. Market is kind of quiet. It's still summertime. People are relaxing on the beach. They're not really focusing on crypto. So it is what it is. But we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Have a good one.